Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the hard drive in your Lenovo IdeaPad 5. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, ensure that your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's essential to protect your device from any power-related issues. Once that's done, let's flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. You'll see several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Remember to keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. After removing the screws, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the bottom panel. Be cautious and work your way around the edges to avoid breaking any clips. Once the panel is off, you'll see the internal components of the laptop. Now, locate the existing hard drive. It's typically housed in a metal bracket. You may find a few screws securing the hard drive in place. Carefully unscrew these and gently pull the hard drive out of its bay. Make sure to handle it by the sides to avoid touching any of the electrical components. If you're upgrading to a new hard drive, this is the time to clean any dust within the laptop. Use compressed air to blow out any debris, especially around the fan and heatsink area. A clean environment helps with heat dissipation and overall performance. Next, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this replacement, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our services include pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to worry about no calls, no travel. We can provide a quote before repair to keep you informed of the costs involved. Now, let's install the new hard drive. Slide it into the bay at an angle, ensuring the connectors align properly. Once it's seated, secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's firmly in place to avoid any connectivity issues. With the new drive installed, it's time to replace the bottom panel. Align it back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are secured. Then, reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them without overdoing it. Too much force can strip the screws or damage the casing. Finally, turn the laptop back over and power it on. If you've installed a new operating system or cloned your old drive, make sure to check that everything is functioning correctly. This includes verifying that the new drive is recognized in the BIOS and operating system. If you encounter any issues during this process or prefer to leave it to the professionals, remember our service offers no calls, no travel. We provide a hassle-free experience with pickup and delivery right at your home. Plus, we'll provide a quote before any repair work begins, ensuring transparency and costs. Enjoy your upgraded Lenovo IdeaPad 5. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.